Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Afikim Afiscooter Model S4 with the upgraded motor package. If you're not familiar with Afikim's Afiscooter series, they are the most dependable off-road mobility scooter. They're the most customizable as well, and the most powerful of them all. It's so powerful, it could tow a truck. I've even towed an SUV and a boat hitched onto the back of the truck. We have tons of videos on these models. I will put the link in the description to our playlist. So if you really want to learn more about all the upgrade options, check it out or visit our YouTube channel to learn more about this product. We also have non-commissioned sales experts ready to take your call if you have any questions. In this video, again, we're just going to show you how fast the upgraded motor package is. Since this model is made in Europe, it's actually made in Israel. It is rated in kph, so this is technically the 18 kph upgrade.
Now, before we get any further into this video, I do need to tell you two quick things. Number one, if you want a copy of our free product catalog, it has our latest products, discount codes, and much more. Visit our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call the number below to speak with our non-commissioned sales experts. Give them your address and they'll process the request for you. They'd also love to answer any questions that you may have, whether you visit us in one of our local stores or shop online. We offer tax-free sales and free shipping nationwide. I also want to take the time to personally say thank you so much for watching our videos, liking our videos, commenting, and sharing our content. We couldn't do this without you. And if you don't already know, something that makes Mobility Direct special is that we love to give away mobility scooters to people that truly need them. We oftentimes randomly select subscribers that are subscribed to our channel and that leave a comment to give them a free mobility scooter at random. So you're already here. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment, and you too could be the next lucky winner of a mobility scooter, like the last few winners that you're seeing on the screen now. With that being said, let's get started with the video.
We have our application on our cell phone that tracks with GPS your speed, your travel distance, and even the slope and the grade. This scooter can handle up to an 18-degree incline. I've seen it handle even steeper inclines, but that's what it's rated for. And with the upgraded motor package, it goes around 12 miles per hour. The stock motor is going to let it go around 9 miles per hour, give or take, depending on the weight of the user, the terrain, the incline, etc. But here we are on the S4 with the standard tires, by the way, and we're going up some pretty rugged terrain, some hills, some grass, and it's handling it like a champ. It has full suspension. You barely feel any of these bumps and imperfections along the road, whether you're taking it on pavement with cracks on the sidewalk or up and down various terrain types. I mean, we've used this scooter in so many different environments, including at the beach on the sand, going and jumping over 8-inch logs, gravel, cobblestone, dirt, mud, puddles. It's literally the most rugged and dependable model I've ever had the pleasure of testing out. I mean, I have one at home. I put it through the ringer all the time. I've even towed a boat and dropped it in the water. That's right. I've taken a boat on a boat ramp and dropped it in the water using a tow hitch adapter. I don't recommend doing that. It would probably void your warranty, but it's amazing how powerful this thing is. They even have a weather canopy that you can get with rain sides to make it basically a completely enclosed model, so you can take it out in rain. I've taken it out in lightning storms, torrential downpour, and it holds up, no problem. Unlike a lot of other mobility scooters, which easily get damaged with rain. So here we are kind of going through a parking lot. By the way, you can totally take this into a grocery store. We've done it many times. We have videos of it. Because it is considered a mobility scooter, and it doesn't really have that like rough, rugged, sporty look to it. It actually looks like a mobility scooter, which will work in your favor if you want to use it indoors. If you try going into a grocery store with one of these, really sporty looking scooters that aren't classified as a mobility scooters, the store owners might give you trouble. But the Afikim literally looks like a mobility scooter, like a medical grade scooter, and it is. So you could take it on into a grocery store and you shouldn't have any problems at all. We also have vehicle lifts that allow you to transport the scooter on the back of your SUV or pickup truck. It is a heavy scooter, so you will need a pretty big truck or SUV to transport it with a vehicle lift, but they are pretty convenient and you do have options. So you don't have to just use it around the neighborhood. It can go up to 25 miles roughly with the stock batteries, but if you upgrade it to the lithium batteries, which we offer exclusively through Mobility Direct, we can give you a lithium upgrade battery option that can get you up to like 90 miles. We've actually beaten the world record with the longest distance traveled on a mobility scooter using this exact model. We upgraded to the 135 amp hour Dakota lithium batteries, and we went for 24 hours straight, nonstop, in an attempt to beat the Guinness Book of World Records record for longest distance traveled on a mobility scooter. Check that video out if you're interested in learning more about that. I'll put the link in the description, like I said, to our playlist where you can see tons of videos on the Afikim scooter series, including unboxing videos, tutorial videos on how to do repairs, and just in-depth reviews so you can really learn all about it.
When we did the world record, we used the dual seat, which is a 2-person seat. Personally, that's my favorite upgrade. I use it at home and I go on rides with my wife, my daughter, and my dog even sits on the floorboard while we take rides up and down the dirt road to either catch the sunset or just get some fresh air. We love it. I use it every single day. Something else that you may not know about the Afikim scooters is that they offer the best service contract in the industry, hands down. Most brands only include a 1-year repair contract, which works in conjunction with the parts warranty. So with the service contract, if something goes wrong, like a defect, as long as it's approved by the dealer, you have the option to get a technician to come to your home. Whether you need parts replaced under the warranty or if you need a diagnosis because something's not working the way it's supposed to, a technician can be dispatched to your home wherever you are in the country. So not only do you get free shipping nationwide, but you also get in-home repair coverage nationwide. So you get the tax-free sales, free shipping, an excellent parts warranty, and a 3-year in-home repair contract. That's right, folks. So if you really want a scooter that's going to give you peace of mind, the Afikim brand is the way to go. These things are built like tanks. If you want something that's going to keep you protected from the shade, or something that you can take your loved one on a ride with, or just something that can handle the most extreme terrain types, the Afikims are the way to go. They have upgrade options for every single customer out there, regardless of what you're looking to accomplish. I personally use mine around my property to tow a cart and bring all of my landscaping tools around me. I take my shovels, my chainsaws, my weed whackers, and I get work done around the yard all the time. I love that it's so compact. Unlike a golf cart or a Gator or a UTV like a Polaris, it's not going to take up a ton of room in your garage. It's got a minimal footprint, and if you don't really need a golf cart, these are way more affordable and they take up a lot less room in the garage, like I said. So you can even have 2 of these and it would take less room. 2 of these would cost less than most golf carts. Most golf carts nowadays cost a minimum of 10 grand for a basic model. With these scooters, like I said, they're about these Afikim scooters are less than half the price and come with a way better warranty. Afikim has headquarters in the United States. Buy it through us, you're going to get customer support for a lifetime. You can call us anytime. Give us your order number and we will put a technician on the phone to help you troubleshoot. A lot of the times, these scooters don't even require a technician to come out and fix it because they do have a robust diagnostic feature which will tell you what's wrong with it based on error codes that you can either look up in your user manual or speak with one of our technicians to figure out what's going on. Again, this is the Afikim Afiscooter Model S4. You can get it in a 3-wheel model, you can get it in a compact version, and there's even a motorcycle option for those Harley enthusiasts that used to ride a motorcycle. If you want to learn more, visit our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com, or call the number below to speak with a non-commissioned sales expert. We'd love to earn your business. Thanks so much for watching this video. Until next time, have a great day.